JAMB is just the beginning. To get university admission, you have to conquer post-UME. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare smart, study right, and pass post-UME in one sitting. Let's go. There are 5 secrets I'm going to reveal to you on how to prepare for post-UME. The first one, you have to understand post-UME format. You have to understand post-UME format for your school. In some schools, they have multiple choice questions, like 100 multiple choice questions. Some schools, 50 multiple choice questions. Some schools have English compulsory with your 3 core subjects, while in some schools they include English, your core subjects, and then current affairs and a little of ICT. So you need to visit the school or put calls across to know and understand the format of your school post-UME. Secondly, get past question and study smartly. You can get past question from a trusted bookshop in the school, or you can use this app, myschool.ng. You can use the app and get the past question of the school you have applied for. I'm recommending this app, myschool.ng, or you can visit the trusted bookshop of your school and get past question. And remember, I said get past question and study smartly. Some people use past question wrongly. Now, how do you use past question? The first, use past question to understand the pattern of the school, how they set questions. Please, some people cram past questions. Please don't cram blindly. Use it to know the format of the school, and also use it to prepare yourself with a set timer. Just check if you can finish 50 multiple choice questions in 30 minutes. Put yourself under exam condition, put your time on, and check if you can finish 50 objective questions under 30 minutes. Please don't cram past questions blindly. Use it effectively by using it, one, to understand the pattern, and two, to test yourself. Then the third thing you need to do is to master your core subject. If you're going for law, English and government, if you're going for medicine, physics, chemistry, biology, if you're going for engineering, physics, mathematics, and chemistry, you must know your core subjects. And I'm recommending this YouTube channel where I've done a lot of tutorials on physics, period, chemistry, biology. So you need to check out YouTube, watch tutorial videos. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And once you have subscribed, turn the bell notification on so that once any video is out, you'll be notified so that you can follow through all our tutorials. So you need to study your 3 core subjects. Then the fourth thing you need to do is to have a smart plan, a smart study plan. Now, let me give you this idea. Try to read at least 2 hours every day. You can use 1 hour for past questions and use 1 hour to study topics that you're very weak in. You know the subject and the topics you're yet to understand very well. Use 1 hour, study them. Use 1 hour, study past questions. Just 2 hours every day, you're good to go. Then you can use Saturdays to test yourself. Write CBT mock. Check myschool.ng is an app. Test yourself using CBT. And then on Sundays, you now review all that you have done, correct yourself, and prepare for the new week. Please follow these steps and you will come back on this channel to thank me. Then the last thing is, please don't assume that the exam is very easy because you passed JAM. Every school have their own format. So you still have to work hard. It is not yet over until it is over. And then another thing, please don't be anxious. And don't be anxious and don't be worried. Post-UME is just to rank, to, is not, it doesn't mean elimination. No, sometimes they can even offer you a lesser course and you still have opportunity to gain admission. So don't think that is to eliminate you out of the school. No, be confident in yourself and remember to pray. And I also pray that God's favor will go with you. The particular course you have desired, you're going to go get it. So go in confidence. Don't think the post-UTME is to eliminate you. No, it's to rank and know the number to select, to take from the best. So when you're not meeting up, just check the other courses and you're sure of gaining admission. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell notification for more videos. Thank you. See you in the next